Whether you're browsing around YouTube or somebody sent you a video on YouTube and you're not able to see it, maybe it says content restriction, or you're not able to see all of the comments normally like you would on videos. There could be some age restrictions on your account. Let's check it and change it if need be. So on my iPhone, I'm going to open up the YouTube app. You can do this on an iPhone, Android, or a computer by going to youtube.com. Tap on You at the bottom right. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Tap on General at the top. And midway down, you can see restricted mode. It says, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So if you wanted to, and this is turned on, you can just toggle this off. However, in some instances, this might be grayed out. If you have your birthday set to a wrong birthday and you're under 18 or under 13, it could be restricting those videos no matter what. So let's go in and check your Google account to make sure it has the correct birthday. Next, we're going to tap the back arrow at the top left, tap on the X at the top left, and then tap on Accounts at the top left. Tap on Manage Your Google Account at the bottom, and this brings you to your Google account. Make sure this is the correct Google or YouTube account that you're typically watching videos on. Tap on Personal Info at the top. Tap on Birthday midway down. You'll be able to see it shows your birthday, in my case, my birthday, showing that I'm verified 18 or older. If you don't have the correct birthday in there, you can always update it to the correct one and go to age status and go through the process of verifying your age status so that after you've gone through that entire process, you can go in and toggle off that restricted mode and watch any videos that are accessible on YouTube. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. And thanks for watching.